Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Semrush for affiliate content planning step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Semrush website and logging into your account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for a free trial or choose a suitable subscription plan. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard, noting the various tools available. Start by using the Keyword Overview tool to research potential affiliate topics. Enter a relevant keyword related to your niche in the search bar and click on the search button. Analyze the keyword's metrics, including search volume and keyword difficulty. Identify related keywords that can bolster your content strategy. Take note of long-tail keywords that may have lower competition. Next, navigate to the Keyword Magic tool for a deeper analysis of keyword suggestions. Use filters to refine results and discover keywords that align with your affiliate goals. Select the most promising keywords and save them to your keyword list. Switch to the Topic Research tool to generate content ideas around your chosen keywords. Input your primary keyword to find related topics in popular headlines. Review the suggested content formats and analyze how competitors are addressing these topics. Compile a list of content ideas suitable for your affiliate niche. Proceed to the Content Marketing Toolkit to plan your content calendar. Map out a schedule for your content, including key dates and deadlines. Incorporate keywords strategically into your planned content. Ensure that each piece aligns with your overall affiliate marketing strategy. Utilize the SEO Writing Assistant to optimize your content as you write. Check keyword density, readability, and overall SEO score. Make adjustments according to the tool's recommendations. Once your content is ready, plan its promotion using the Social Media Poster tool. Schedule social media posts to coincide with your content launch dates. Monitor performance using the analytics and reporting tools in Semrush. Regularly check on metrics like traffic, engagement, and conversion rates. Adapt your strategy based on the data collected to improve future performance. Continue refining your approach, staying updated with changes in trends and algorithm updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.